Hello everyone! Welcome to my video tutorial. I am Jessica Lardano Melior and today I will be guiding you through our lesson. I hope you learn something new and enjoy this tutorial. Let me ask you something. If I ask what is your favorite color and how old are your answers the same kind of information? Not really, right? One uses words and the other uses numbers. So these answers are examples of data. And today we will explore what data is, the two main types of data, and the types of quantitative data, discrete and continuous. So let's begin. Okay, so first, let's define data. So data are facts or information that we collect through observation, what we see, measurement, what we measure, surveys, what we ask people. So in simple words, data means information. So we use data every day even without noticing it. Examples of data in real life: your name, your age, your height, your test score, and your favorite food. Okay, for example, if a teacher asks how many students are present today, the answer is data. And if you answer a survey like what is your favorite subject, that is also data. So anytime you are giving or collecting information, you are working with data. Now that we understand data, let's talk about its type. So there are two main types of data, the qualitative data and the quantitative data. So these two types are very important because they help us recognize and understand information better. Let's start with qualitative data. So qualitative data describes qualities or characteristics. It is usually expressed in words, labels, or categories, not numbers. So if you can describe it but not measure it, it is qualitative data. Examples includes of qualitative data are your favorite color, blue, red, green, or yellow. Then type of pet, dog, cat, or bird. Then your hair color, black or brown. Then your favorite subject. So let's look at a situation. If I ask, what is your favorite food? Your answers might be pizza, rice, spaghetti, or chicken. So these are not numbers. They are words. So they are qualitative data. So I give you an easy tip. So if the answer is a word or descriptions, it is qualitative data. Okay, so now let's move to quantitative data. So quantitative data refers to the numerical information data that can be measured, counted, or expressed using numbers. So it answers questions like how many, how much, or how often. So quantitative data is a numerical data. So meaning it uses numbers. So it can be measured or counted. So if you can measure or count it, it is a qualitative data. Okay, examples include of quantitative data, age, 13 years old, number of siblings. You you have two siblings, height, 150 centimeter, or a test score. Okay, your test scores be 95. So example situations, if I ask, how many siblings do you have? Your answers will be a number. So this is qualitative. So easy tip. If the answer is a number, it is quantitative. Now, here's something important. Quantitative data has two types. So first is the discrete data. So discrete data is a type of quantitative data that consists of countable or separate values. So these values are usually whole numbers, no decimals. So they are usually whole numbers only, so you can count them one by one. Examples of discrete data are number of students in class, number of books, and number of pets. So important idea. You cannot have 2.5 students or 3.7 books because discrete data must be a whole numbers. So easy tip, if you can count it, it is discrete data. Next is continuous data. So continuous data are data that can be measured. They can include decimals or fractions. Examples include our height, 150.5 centimeter, weight, 45.7 kilogram, temperature, 36.6 degrees Celsius. So important idea. These values can change and can be very precise. So easy tip, if you can measure it, it is continuous data. Let's review what we learned today. So data are information we collect. Qualitative data are words or descriptions. Quantitative data are numbers. And quantitative data can be discrete, counting, or whole numbers. Then continuous, measuring or with decimals. Okay, now try this on your own. Look around your home or classroom and list 2 examples of qualitative data, 2 examples of discrete data, and last is the 2 examples of continuous data. So this will help you understand the lesson better. Okay, so that's the end of our lesson on types of data. I hope you learned something new today. Keep practicing and observing data in your daily life. Thank you for watching and see you in our next math lesson. Bye-bye!